right, yes. Now, there's something that we always need to understand when it comes to these Afro kinky bulk, and now how you can always achieve it to look this natural. Yes, most of the times we all know that when it comes to the natural Afro, the kinky bulk Afro, it always match very well with our natural hair. So it is always easy when you try to blend it with our natural hair. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the technique, the fading of this plus our natural hair.
Daliko loving, oyagala kola ka video shanane. Morris, the critic.
All right, my name is Morris, the crochet master. This is our Afro bulk kinky, and this is how it looks. And I hope you guys have a lot of kinkies, as I feel that those who have even the Mali kinky, others have these Afro kinky. There are a lot of kinky that you can always use, but as long as you learn how to fade in like the way I'm going to be showing you. So first and foremost, we always need to part our lines, because that is very, very important. And parting our line, the only thing that we follow is the extension should be equivalent to the hair that is parted, because most of the time we always do these mistakes. You find like you're parting small portions and then you're adding a bigger extension. You should always try to mind all that, because that's why sometimes our hair breaks, and they break just because if we don't mind about that. Yes, we believe that those people who love packed hair, and remember, when you're doing packed hair, it means you have to hold a little hair, you have to part little hair, and then you add a big extension. So when it comes to that, you always need to be very careful, and you try to make sure that you balance them. So here we go, we separate our braids into three, and then we start braiding this way, and this is easy. This is how I'm doing, like I'm fading in with the inward knotless braiding. You can see my braids, I do it from down. It is not like the knotless we always do. Then I just bring it up and remove. This is kinky. It's not the hair that I tie. I tie using the extension. Then after tying it that way, then we start doing the braiding. Okay, so it means if someone is trying to unbraid them, he's just going to untie, like, or maybe just cut that kinky and it braid itself. So we just fade in this way. You can see these methods, and I've been introducing these methods in my online classes, so you can also go on my online classes and you get to learn all these messages. Trust me, they will help you a lot. So when I'm done with that, I just come here and I tie it there. You get it? So this is very, very simple, as in fading in. It is very, very simple. Now I've got to introduce myself. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers with Z. We are located in Ntinda, Ministers Village, and those ones who would need our services, you can always come at Hair by Clippers, located in Ntinda, Sonatu Road. You get us. And still, to those ones would want the online classes, please, those links in the bio that are going to help you. You just click on that link of Morris the Crochet Master. It is going to take you through, and maybe if you want to shop our alls are also there, you can be able to do that. Yes, so let's get to it and see how this is going to happen, but you need to learn the fading.
tolina kyongamba. Number one, you know. A big thing this. Yeah. Bano beba number one. Buli chimu bachikola from the heart. Obukugu bwa pulo. Temuli muyiga bonna bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, him a run them. Uchenviri bakuwa, balinga high grade kwe basoma. All of them are styles, them a do for you. Them a make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by creepers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Tolina chongamba. Hair by clippers fire. Yeah. Oh na na. Tolina chongamba. Tolina chongamba. Tolina chongamba. Tolina chongamba. Tolina chongamba, Tolina, yeah, 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 yeah. A number one crochet master, Morris. Don't around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongoyaka, yeah. Morris the crochet master didn't make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh na 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 na. Nobody do it like Morris, the crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris, yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master, Morris, you crochet master, Morris, you crochet master, no, 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 touch of a crochet master, it's so good, yeah, yeah.
said it here that I'm going to also to put some cornrows. And yes, since we all know that when it comes to kinky, sometimes you need to be very, very gentle when it comes to the cornrows, so that they don't bring tension. So of course, we're just going to try to add in our molding gel. Yes, and just like that, any gel that you have can help. Yes, you can use that. And like the way I said, you just have to be as gentle as possible when it comes to these cornrow. So since it matches with the kinky, so I try so hard to be as soft as possible so that I do not bring tension to I do not bring tension to her hair. Yes, because for the natural hair, when it comes to kinky, there is the way it will always pull it there. So when you try to put a lot of energy, trust me, it might be not good. So you have to be as gentle as possible. So this one, you just do any design that you feel like, and trust me, when you do that, it will be a very, very perfect and comes out very nicely. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and just know every week we make sure that we upload videos on this channel and of different types of hairstyles. So if it's your first time to be on this channel, I would like you to click on that red button, ring the bell, and please make sure that you like the video. Yes, you can like the video. If you have any question that you need to ask, just go right in the comment section. Ask me anything you want to ask about this hairstyle, and I'll be there to answer you as soon as possible. So let's do this together and see how it is going to come out. Bye bye. May the Lord bless you all, but don't forget to like the video.
Touch of a cricket master, yeah. Oh no, no, no. Cartons around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongoyaka, yeah. Maurice the cricket master didn't make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Maurice the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, ogwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no, no. Maurice got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master, Maurice. Yeah, yeah. You got the touch of a crochet master, Maurice. You crochet master, Maurice. You crochet master, no, no, no. Touch of a crochet master. It's so good, yeah, yeah. Yeah. chikumi we give it out tetuleka you with the best to none anyawa kana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga tuli ba big ballers shot callers tukola kwaba bazewulira so high in the sky we know how to make it glam and look so splashy everybody sleepers we the best everybody sleepers we the best everybody sleepers we the best